Hi guys, thank you for joining us. My name is Christopher Williams and this is my first tutorial. What this tutorial is about is how to update your WordPress blog, find an image to put into your blog post and launch that particular blog. So first of all, I opened up Microsoft Word and I typed up a little blog post, and from there what I'll do is I'll go to my WordPress login page, and this is a live blog for my blog called The Marketing Mix. And so what you'll do is, first of all, you'll log in, and what you'll see is your admin page for your WordPress blog. And if you have a WordPress blog, you should be familiar with this particular layout. So what I want to do now is I want to post a new blog post. So I go to post, click on that, and I want to add a new post right at the top. Add new. And so now I have add new post and the area where I will insert the blog post. So I go back to my Microsoft Word document and I copy my text. Right click on that, copy that, and go back to your WordPress admin and right click into the area where you would insert the text and click paste. Now you have your text within your WordPress blog. Go back to your Word document and capture the title. Highlight that, right click on it, and copy the title. Now go back to the WordPress area and right click and paste your title. So now you have your blog there. So I want to save this blog, save the draft. That is saved. And so now what I want to do is find an image to place into my blog post. What this blog is about fishing and relating fishing to marketing. If you can understand fishing, you can understand marketing. So what I want to do is find an image about fishing. So I would open up a new tab, go to google.com. Sorry about that. Go to google.com, click on the images tab right at the top, search, images, maps, play, YouTube, so on and so forth. Click on images. What this will bring you to is Google's images search engine. So I want to find something about fishing. So in the search box, I want to say fishing. Click enter, and here are some images on fishing. So let me scroll down and try to find a nice image, something that I can use for my blog post. So if I look at this image right here of this little guy fishing for Alaskan salmon, let's say this is a pretty decent image. So what I want to do now is right click on that image and scroll up until I find save picture as. This is the picture that I want to insert into my blog post. If I save picture as, I can find the folder that I want to save the picture as, and the folder is called blog images. So if I double click on that, Google, if you look at this name right here, Google just assigns generic names to these images. So I want to save this as my fishing image in my folder called blog images that is located on my desktop. If I click save, that image will download to my desktop, and I can check that by going to the desktop and click on my blog images folder, and I can see my fishing image there. So if I go back to my blog now, which is this other tab here, I'm back on my blog now. So what I want to do is I want to insert this image right here before the first word. And I do that by clicking the insert button right above this area. And so right here it says upload insert, click that little box there, and it's going to an area for me to select the file. So add media files from your computer. Click select files, and now I go to my desktop to find the folder where my blog images are located. Double click on that, and this is my fishing image. So I click fishing, and then I click open, and so that image has just uploaded to the admin area of WordPress. Now, the way that I insert it into my actual blog post is when you upload an image to your WordPress admin area, you'll see down here it says alignment, none, left, center, right. I want to align this particular image to the right side of my blog, and you'll see what that looks like a little later. And so I want to also the size of it to be the full size, which is 259 pixels by 194 pixels. You click right here, insert into post. Click that button, and then now you have some code where WordPress did everything and inserted the code, so the image should be inside of your blog post now. So once again, I'll save this draft, and then I want to see what it looks like now. I can click preview, and this is a preview of how my blog looks. So as you can see, let me open that screen a little bit. As you can see, this is the blog post that I just copied. The title, Small Business Startups Know This, and then if you can understand fishing, so on and so forth. And this is my fishing image. So now I have a blog post with an image to complement that blog post, which is a best practice when blogging. So that is the end of my first tutorial. And so I hope you learned something, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you.